What up, y'all? SneakerHeadKev, and this is the canvas. So this is a tough one. Even though like me and my brother do clash heads, you know, he does inspire me. He's very successful. He owns his own company, and I want to do the same. You know, I want to be able to be as professional as he is. I know I'm my own boss right now, but the way he is, the way he's running his company, is definitely my #1 inspiration right now. My canvas is pretty much just like restoring sneakers. You know, that's me bringing a pair of kicks back to life. You know, one pair at a time. I do anything as far as you know, deep clean sneakers. I repaint them, suede, you know, recondition, suede re-dyes. You know, like, it's just pretty much anything that has to do with sneakers is bringing them back to life. You know, so I remember just, you know, I was with my friends and everything, and I think I went to an open house, and they all had some nice kicks, some nice Jordans, and they decided to wear it, you know, where it was just nothing. It was gonna be nothing but grass and dirt. They brought all these nice Jordans and everything, and I remember like we were just playing catch with football, and I don't know, like it was just stressing me out. So when we got back to my house, I just noticed that all the shoes was dirty, and you know, I just decided I wanted to. I was like, hey, let me clean them. So I went in my bathroom, grabbed a sponge, a brush, put a whole bunch of different soap together. I don't know what I was doing. I was just mixing it. I remember cleaning their shoes, and then they really liked it, and they told me that I should really make something, you know, out of this, and like I should really start a business, I should start charging people, and just, you know. But at first I didn't know how to approach it, so I just had to take it, you know, very slowly. I just remember having my first client. He came, he messaged me, he dropped off his pair, and I cleaned them. I got my first, you know, he paid me and everything, and right there, and it just started a chain reaction. Once I uploaded that post, boom, I got another one. Uploaded that one, and then just, like I said, it's a chain reaction. I want to say it's something I always wanted to do, but it's definitely something, you know, I love doing right now, and I still want to continue doing it. You know, I don't want to do anything else besides doing this. You know, I want to perfect each of my craft. I want to get better. I want to get that exposure. But at the same time, yeah, I really want to see where I could take my skills. The losses that I've experienced was, you know, actually messing up my client's shoes. Like I would do something that I would think would help their shoes, and that would like benefit their shoes, but like it took a wrong turn. Honestly, if I didn't find my canvas, like I said, I would go to just straight school. I would just try to go out more and try to find out new things, you know. I'm 19 years old. I feel like at that type of age, like you really gotta go out and just start kicking things into gear. My achievement would be just like making my clients just like sad, you know, happy. I want them to, when they get their shoes back, if it puts a smile on their face, you know, that's my day. My day is made. You know, it just that fuels me to keep going. I don't know if I worked over 500 pairs or 1,000 pairs, but you know, I know, like in those numbers, I know a lot of those, I made a lot of people satisfied. You know, I made a lot of people happy, and that's to me my biggest accomplishment. I really want to work on more high, you know, very expensive shoes, but still have that type of confidence, you know, not worrying about messing them up or anything. But yeah, I remember working on these off-white Air Forces, and wow, they were ranging from anywhere from like 2,500 brand new to 1,000 used. So like, and I killed those. Yeah, he was happy, but yeah, I never thought I would ever hold those pair in my hand. Like, oof, I want to be able to open a store one day, and I already had this vision in my head how, like, if I was to clean and restore sneakers, I would know how it would look. I don't know, I just wanted to have a nice store where everyone can come in. It's just like a barbershop, you know, when you go in there, you're always talking, everyone's vibing and everything. It's just, you know, everyone's just laid back, chilling, just talking, and just gonna keep putting in work. until, you know, one day I can hopefully make my dream into a reality. My brother told me, before you dream, you know, you always got to put in that work. So before I even start thinking about any of my future plans, I would want to get back. I just want to get to work.